legs. C5, C6, legs. Very good. Relax. For your shoulder, hands here. Relax. Yes, one. Now this. So relax, relax. For your shoulder. Yes. Done. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very yes. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Sit down.
To Wasim for because I was experiencing severe pain in my left hand, and since I've been taking sessions from Wasim, my pain is almost gone, and also the numbness in my thumb, because the pain was traveling from my shoulder to my thumb, and all the pain that I was experiencing post my, because I have a job which is extremely laptop oriented, in the sense that I have to spend at least 8 to 12 hours on the computer, in front of the computer, working on keyboards and all. So as a result, my hands were giving up, and especially my left hand was having a lot of trouble. I was not even able to type from my left hand. After coming to Wasim, I have experienced a remarkable difference in the what you call the agility of my left hand, and in fact my entire left side used to feel numb, and I've been able to now go on with my daily chores, including my laptop work, without any hindrance post my sessions with Wasim.